Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, mornings can get super busy, whether it's rushing to work, school, or just getting things done around the house. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a full makeup look in just 5 minutes. Perfect for those mornings when you're short on time but still want to look put together. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with a fresh face. First things first, prep your skin. A clean, moisturized base makes a huge difference in how your makeup looks and lasts throughout the day. Step 1. Primer. A quick dab of primer helps to blur imperfections and give your skin that smooth canvas to work with. Just rub it in gently, and you're good to go. Next, we're going to move on to foundation. For busy mornings, I love using a lightweight foundation or a tinted moisturizer. It gives a natural finish without feeling too heavy. Just a quick swipe on your face and blend it out. Now let's brighten up those under-eye circles and hide any blemishes with a bit of concealer. I'm using a creamy concealer that matches my skin tone. A little goes a long way, so just apply it to problem areas and tap it in with your fingers or a sponge. Moving on to brows. For a natural but defined look, I like to use a brow pencil to lightly fill in any sparse spots. You don't need to spend too much time on this, just a few strokes to shape them, and you're done. Next up, eyeshadow. We're keeping it simple with a neutral shade. Just swipe a light shimmer over your eyelids to add some glow and you're good to go. You can even use your fingers for this step, it's that quick. Now let's open up those eyes with a few coats of mascara. A good mascara will add volume and make your lashes pop in seconds. I love using one that gives a natural lift but still makes a statement. Next, we're going to add a bit of color back into the cheeks with a quick swipe of blush. I'm using a soft pink shade to give my face that fresh, healthy glow. You can apply this on the apples of your cheeks and blend it out. To finish off, we'll add a touch of highlighter to the high points of the face. A little on the cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow gives you that radiant glow that looks like you woke up this way. Finally, let's add a little color to the lips. I'm using a tinted lip balm for a soft, natural pop of color. It's quick, easy, and keeps my lips hydrated all day long. And that's it! A full makeup look in just 5 minutes. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need to look fresh and ready to take on the day. Isn't that easy? Whether you're headed to work, class, or just running errands, this quick routine will have you feeling confident and beautiful in no time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this quick and easy makeup tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with your friends who are always on the go. See you in the next one. Have an amazing day.